David, it's morning. We have to get up.
5 more minutes, Anna.
The dishes are still here.
I'll do them later.
Mom, I can't find my sock.
I'm here. Let me help you.
You always find it, Mom.
Because I always look, sweetheart. David, can you get Mia's bag?
In a minute.
Mom, where is my bag?
Your bag is on the chair, Mia.
Take it and come back, sweetheart. Okay, Mom.
Anna, where is my coffee?
I'm making it now.
Thanks.
Mia needs breakfast too. Stand still, Mia.
I'm trying, Mom.
David, please don't forget the dishes today.
I said later. Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I'm tired.
I'll be home late. Please wash the dishes and take out the trash.
Yeah, I know.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Mia.
Mom, I was hungry.
Oh, Mia. Nothing changed.
You're home?
I missed you, Mom.
I'm here now.
Anna, I was tired.
So was I.
Anna?
I need a minute.
Why are you taking the suitcase?
Because I'm leaving for a few days.
Leaving? For where?
My mother's house.
It was just one bad day.
No, David. It is every day.
I said I would do it later.
Your later is breaking me.
Mom? Dad?
Come here, sweetheart.
Are you going away?
Only for a few days, baby.
Dad, say sorry.
I'm sorry, Anna.
Sorry is not enough tonight.
Then what do I do?
Mom, please come back.
I will. But things must change.
Anna, wait.
No, David, you wait now.
Dad. Dad.
I know.
Did she do all this every day?
Yes.
Did you eat dinner?
Only noodles.
Do you want toast?
I want... Mom.
Good night, Mia.
Mom says that better.
Dad! School!
Oh no!
1 second, Mia.
I need breakfast. Dad, it smells bad.
I know. What is that smell?
My dress? Dad, I need the blue dress.
I can't find it, Mia.
Dad!
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry, Mia. I'm trying.
Mom knows what to do.
This one is clean. Is it okay?
Okay, I think.
Come on, sweetheart.
We are late.
I'm sorry, Mia.
Mom is never late. Bye, Dad.
Bye, Mia.
I'm sorry, Mia.
You are late again.
We'll be home soon.
I want... Mom. Dad! Dad, what happened?
No.
Did we run out of gas?
Yes, I forgot. Take my jacket, Mia.
I'm cold, Dad.
Don't worry, we'll be okay.
Mom always puts a warm coat in my bag.
I know. She remembers everything.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Mia. I'm sorry for everything.
I miss Mom. Will Mom come home?
I hope so. I will try.
Are you warmer now?
A little. Dad, are you sad?
Yes, because I was wrong.
Then say sorry to Mom again.
I will.
Dad, you did this?
Yes. For you. Does this feel okay?
Better than yesterday. Are you still sad?
Yes. But I'm trying to do better.
We are early today.
Yes, we are.
This is Mom. This is Dad. This is me.
It's beautiful, Mia.
I was doing everything. Then you were carrying too much alone.
I was not angry. I was empty. That is why you had to leave. I needed him to see it.
Then he must show you that he sees.
Dad, are you scared?
Yes. But we are here.
Hello, Mom. May we come in?
Come in, David. Speak honestly.
Mom.
Hi, Mia.
I miss you so much, Mom.
I missed you too, baby.
These are for you.
Thank you.
I wrote everything down.
Gas, coat, laundry, dishes. Now you see it?
Yes. Too late, but yes. I do not want to help you anymore.
Then what do you want?
I want to do life with you. I want to carry my part.
That matters.
Can we be together again?
We can, if we are all honest.
Will this stay tomorrow too?
Yes. Tomorrow and after tomorrow.
A home is lighter when hands are shared.
I understand now.
Then let's try again.
Thank you, Anna.
Pass me the bowl, David.
Here you go.
I'm helping. No, Mia.
We are doing it together.
In a family, housework is not one person's job.
When we share the work, we share the love.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.